front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings, scroll down and choose Apps. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Permission Manager. Following that, pick one of your device's features, like location, and select one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options, so I have to tap on them. And pick one of those. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just click on it, choose See All Maps permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!